Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a spear using the new item in Dress to Impress. So first you're actually just going to want to go to the coconut and make it the second toggle. I'm just going to color it the same as my dress. I accidentally selected this dress, sorry. Okay. Then you are going to go to the apple. And I'm also going to color it the same. Make it the rotten to the core one. Select the new code item, which is this one. And then you can color it to whatever kind of color you want. I'll just color it this color. Then select this, and I'm just going to turn off the axe. Then you're going to just find the one that looks like this sphere. I think it's on shoulder, so select the on shoulder one, and it looks like she's holding a sphere. Can't really hide this, but that's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.